Hey, I'm Katie. This is Living in the Now. On my channel, I give manifesting tips to help you to manifest everything you desire. Today's video is on thoughts that prevent you from manifesting a relationship. So guess what? The only thing preventing your desires is your bad thoughts about it. Yes, that is it. So if you can learn to improve or clear those thoughts, you can manifest a relationship. Here are some thoughts that may be preventing it. Number 1. Why can others find someone and I can't? What is so special about them? I'd make a good partner. Why do they have it and I don't? How did they get someone? So why does this prevent it? Well, you feel bad about your desire, and you feel that you don't have it, plus extra heavy emotions and doubt. So how do you fix it? You make a new story. If you want more on thought stories, see my video called Thought Stories. And if you want to know about thoughts you should have daily, see my video called Mental Diet. And if you want more on understanding this, see my video called The Way Things Manifest, Part 2. All these explain what a story is and why it's important. So your new story to replace that thought would be, manifesting a relationship is easy. I want a person to come to me and find me exactly where I am. I deserve a relationship. I'm good enough for a relationship. I want a relationship. I want manifesting a relationship to be easy for me. Manifesting a relationship is easy for me. I always get what I want. I want a relationship. I want them to be visible to me now. If they found someone, that means I can too. I want what they have. I want a love like that. See, these are all good thoughts that replace that. You're also focused on the having of it. And when you say I want, you see yourself as having it and that it will happen. Number 2. Why can I manifest objects but not people? So this doesn't make you feel good about your desire, and it shows doubt and sadness. You don't feel you have it, so you want the story and feelings of having it, even before you really have it. So how to fix that one? Your new story and new thought story would be, manifesting people is as easy as objects for me. All is the same and made of energy, so there's no difference. Manifesting a person is as easy as breathing for me. I always get what I want. I say what I want and it happens. If I can manifest objects, I can manifest people in a relationship too. It is easy. Manifesting is easy for me. All I have to do is say what I want and it happens. So I want a boyfriend or girlfriend or relationship. I always get what I want. And number 3. They didn't text me back. They don't want to be with me. They must not like me. So how to fix that one? You say, I want them to text me. I always get what I want. Manifesting is easy for me. Manifesting a text is as easy as breathing for me. Of course they want me. They want to be with me. I want them to realize how much they like me. I want them to want to be with me. I want them to choose me. I want them to feel for me as I do them. Manifesting equal love is easy for me. Manifesting a text is so easy for me. I always get what I want. I want them to text me. See, when you say this new story, it should make you feel like you have it, that it will happen, and that it's easy. And number 4. I don't know where to meet a person to date. No one around here is good or what I want. So how to fix that one? Say manifesting a girlfriend or boyfriend is easy for me. I say what I want and it happens. I always get what I want. I want a girlfriend or boyfriend, so it happens for me. I want a girlfriend or boyfriend to come to me and find me exactly where I am. Manifesting is so easy for me. Manifesting a girlfriend or boyfriend is so easy for me. All I have to do is say what I want, and they come to me and find me. I want them to be visible to me now. I want manifesting a girlfriend or boyfriend to be easy for me now. I want an ideal quality boyfriend or girlfriend to come to me now. And number 5, no one I date feels right. So to fix that, you'd say, manifesting a relationship is easy for me. I always get what I want. And I want a partner who's a perfect fit for me. I want them to want what I do. I want 0 doubts about them. I want them to have 0 doubts about me. I want them to check off every box. I want a partner I connect with. I want a partner who feels right for me in every way. Manifesting a partner who feels right for me and the same for me is as easy as breathing for me. And number 6, my person doesn't want a commitment or long-term relationship. So for that, you'd say, manifesting a relationship is easy for me. I always get what I want. I say what I want and it happens for me every time. I want a commitment with and say their name. I want them to want to commit to me. I want them to realize I'm the love of their life and all they want or need or ever will want or need. I want them to choose me and only me. I see evidence now that they want me long-term or forever. My thoughts create and I always get what I want. Manifesting a commitment and marriage is as easy as breathing for me. It is so easy. They want me forever and they show me. Manifesting is easy for me. Manifesting people to be committed to me and want me forever is easy for me now. I say what I want and it happens. I want a committed long-term relationship with and the person's name. I want them to ask me for a commitment. I want them to be ready for commitment. Manifesting a person to be committed to me is easy. I deserve forever love. I'm good enough to be loved and wanted forever. Manifesting commitment for myself was easy. Manifesting is so easy. I didn't even have to do anything except say what I wanted, and I said I wanted a long-term and a commitment, and so it happened. I'm good enough to be loved and wanted forever. I manifested commitment for myself, and it was easy. Manifesting is so easy. I didn't even have to do anything except say what I wanted, and I said I wanted a long-term and a committed relationship, and so it happened. So that is how you can start to clear or improve your thoughts. That is your new story that you'd say to yourself. And if you continue to say that story, it'll start to show and happen. Comment below if you realize that you had any of those thoughts and stories going on. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. Thanks for watching.